Gates open, they're up and racing. New chapter draws for your lead, Doomstead. Mr. G moving up by the rail, Diamond Magic. Nice and DC, then followed by Celestial. Forever Young is speed to riches. Then sneaking in down on the inside, Chuchinelli is Smart Alec Pass approaching on the outside. The Risk Taker, King Aljun second last while Ravishing Rappy is racing in 13th. About to pass the last 800. Two runners parting it out for the lead. Doomstead moving upon between runners. Then on the outside, New Chapter, Diamond Magic drops back in third. Risk Taker racing in fourth. Then down in fifth, Nice and DC. Forever Young is down in sixth, followed by Smart Alec. Then racing in eighth now is King Aljun. Is Speed to Riches, Mr. G Celestial. Then running on the outside, Ravishing Rappy and Chuchinelli now bringing up the rear as they turn for home. Doomstead now the leader, followed by Risk Taker on the outside. Doomstead, Risk Taker is on the outside. Then King Aljun is by the rail with the last 150 more to run. Doomstead by about 3 lengths over Risk Taker, King Aljun, Mr. G, and finally Doomstead second. Risk Taker over Mr. G, King Aljun, and number 5 Forever Young for your Pentapecta.
8, 9, 10.
Oh.